iQoo U1 with triple rear camera setup, Snapdragon 720G SoC launched. Price, specifications. iQoo U1 has been launched in China as a mid-tier smartphone in Vivo sub-brand's growing lineup. It is powered by octa-core processor and comes with a triple rear camera setup, along with a hole punch cutout for the selfie shooter. The phone is available in 3 RAM and storage configurations, as well as 3 color options. The pricing of the iQoo U1 makes it the most affordable smartphone in the brand's lineup. The phone comes a week after iQoo launched a budget 5G phone, iQoo Z1X. iQoo U1 price. The iQoo U1 comes in 3 configurations with the base 6GB plus 64GB storage model priced at 1,198 Chinese yuans, roughly 12,900 rupees. The 6GB plus 128GB variant is priced at 1,398 Chinese yuans, roughly 15,000 rupees, and the top-tier 8GB plus 128GB variant is priced at 1,598 Chinese yuans, roughly 17,200 rupees. The iQoo U1 has 3 color options, namely, Secret Black, Star Blue, and Sunny Forest White, translated. The phone will go on sale in China starting July 23. As of now, there is no information on international availability for the iQoo U1. iQoo U1 specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, iQoo U1 runs on Android 10 with iQoo UI on top. It features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 90.72% screen-to-body ratio. The iQoo U1 is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 720G processor with the Adreno 618 GPU and up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. In terms of optics, the iQoo U1 has a triple rear camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.79 lens, a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f/2.4 lens, and a 2-megapixel sensor with an f/2.4 macro lens. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel sensor with an f/2.05 lens housed in the hole punch cutout located at the top left corner of the screen. The iQoo U1 comes with up to 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi, 4G, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB port for charging. There is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor as well. The phone is backed by a 4,500 mAh battery with support for 18 watts fast charging and OTG reverse charging. The sensors onboard include an ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, gravity sensor, and compass. In terms of dimensions, the iQoo U1 measures 162.05 by 76.61 by 8.46 mm and weighs 190 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.